Good morning students, welcome back to the class. Today in this video we will do exercise 16.2 and we will do maths on area of parallelogram and triangles in this class. Okay. So first, before going to the exercise, we need to know the formula to find out the area of parallelogram and triangle. So what is the formula to find out the area of a parallelogram? The area of parallelogram is base into height. Okay. The base can be changed. Suppose this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. When you are taking AB as the base, the height will be this much. And when you are taking CB as the base, the height will be this much. So, the base, when you change the base, the corresponding height will also be changed. Okay. So, base into height means if you take this AB as base, the height will be this much. And if you take CB as base, the height will be changed. So, corresponding height into base equals to the area of the parallelogram. And what is the area of triangle? The area of triangle is just half into the area of a parallelogram. That means half into base into height. Suppose this is the triangle and this is the height of the triangle. So half into base into height. That is the formula to find out the area of the triangle. Okay. So now we will start the exercise and directly I am going to exercise question number 16.2, question number 3. Directly I am starting from question number 3. Question number 3, Roman A, find the missing values. Area of parallelogram we need to find out. The base and the height are given. We need to find out the area. So Roman 1 base is given as 7.5 centimeter. And height h, I am writing h for height, is given as 5.6 centimeter. So area of the parallelogram, just you need to write the formula, that is base into height. So it will be base is 7.5 and height is 5.6 and the unit will be centimeter square. So here I am multiplying 75 and 556. So 0, 3 in hand, 45, 25, 2 in hand, 37. So it's 0, 0, 2, 4. So it's 42 and point will be put here. So it will be 42 centimeter square. So the area of the parallelogram is 42 centimeter square. Okay. Next, the base is given and the area is given. We need to find out the height of the parallelogram. In Roman 2, base B is given as 20 centimeter and the area A is given 246 centimeter square. So what will be the height? Okay. So the formula to find out the height, when the base and area is given, the formula is area divided by base. Okay. So height equals to area divided by base and base equals to area divided by height. So these two formulas you need to know also. Height equals to base, area divided by base, and base equals to area divided by height. So we are finding out the height. So it will be area divided by base. Area is 246 and base is 20. So do the cancellation now. 2, 1, 2, 3. So 123 divided by 10 is 12.3 and the unit will be centimeter as we are finding out the height. So 12.3 centimeter is the height of the parallelogram. So hope this is clear. Remaining sums will be your homework. Now I am next going to question number 4, where the relation between the area of triangle, base and height are given. So question number 4 is Roman 1 again I am doing. Question number 4 Roman 1 is base given. Base is 23.2 meter. Height given 16.7 meter. Now we are going to find out the area of the triangle. What is the formula to find out the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. So it will be half into base is 23.2 and height is 16.7. So now do the cancellation. By 2 I am first dividing it. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 11.6 into 16.7 and it will be meter square since we are finding out the area. Now I am multiplying here 116 and 167. Okay, now you can see this. So it will be 2, 7, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 6, 23. 2 in hand, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. Nothing in his hand, 19372. 19372 and the point will be put here. 193.72 meter square. Sorry. 193.72 meter square is the area of the triangle. Okay. Next, question number 4 Roman 2 is base given, area given, find out the height. So here again we need to know another two formulas. Question number 4 Roman 2. First formula is when the base is given and we are going to find out the height. The formula is 2 into area. 2 into area divided by base. And when the height is given, you are going to find out the base. Then the formula to find out the base is 2 into area divided by height. So 2 into area by base is height and 2 into area by height is base. Okay. So these are the formulas. Now we are going to find out the height when the base is given. So here h equals to 2 into area by base. So 2 into area is given as 87 and base is 15. So just find out the height. So now we need to first multiply 87 with 2. It will be 174. Okay. 174 divided by 15. So the division I am showing you here. 15 ones are 15. 2, 4 again 15 ones are 15. 9. Point we will take and 1 0 we will take. 15 6 are 90. So 11.6 meter square. It's meter or centimeter? No, centimeter. So centimeter square. Centimeter. We are finding out the height, so it will be centimeter only. 11.6 centimeter is the height of the triangle. Okay. Hope this is clear. Next I am doing question number 5. Question number 5 is, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are 6 cm and 4 cm. If the height corresponding to the base AB is 3 cm, then find the area of the parallelogram and the height corresponding to the base AD. Okay. So what will we do? First I am drawing the figure here. You can see when AB is the base, the height corresponding to AB is this one. And when when AD is the base, the height corresponding to this is perpendicular on AD from the point C. Perpendicular on AD from the point C, this is the height corresponding to AD. So we know the base AB and we also know the height corresponding to the base AB. But we don't know the height corresponding to the base AD. But see, with the formula, both the formulas, area equals to height into base. If we take this base and this height, what area we will get will be same to the area which we can find out by assuming the base AD and the corresponding height, this one. Means this base into this height equals to the area and this base into this height equals to the area. Both the areas will be same. The area of the parallelogram will be same. So we can assume that the area, the height corresponding to the base AD is x. And what is the unit here? Centimeter. So let the height corresponding to the base AD be x centimeter. Now see, according to the question, what is the formula to find out the area of parallelogram? Base into height. So base AB into AB into this height, the length of AB is 7.5 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter. And this height is 3 centimeter. So AB into this height, AB is 6 centimeter into the height is 3 centimeter. That is equal to AD into the height. AD is 4 centimeter into the height. We have assumed it is x. So both are the same area. So x equals to 6 into 3 divided by that 4 will come here in the denominator. So it will be 6 into 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it's 9 by 2 or 4.5 centimeter. So the height corresponding to the base AD is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, I hope this is clear. This is Roman 2 which I have done here. First I have done Roman 2, this one. Now I am going to find out the Roman 1, question number Roman 1, the area of the parallelogram ABCD. Very easy. Just write here the area of the parallelogram or area equals to base into height. So you can take any base. AB into this height. 6 into 3. That means 18 centimeter square. So the area of the parallelogram is 18 centimeter square and the height corresponding to the base AD is 4.5 centimeter. These are the two answers. Okay, I hope this is clear. Question number 6 is same, but this is in case of triangle. We have done in case of parallelogram. Question number 6 is in case of triangle. Next, I will be doing question number 8. Question number 8 is, I am drawing here the figure. See, in the adjoining figure, triangle ABC is right angle triangle at the angle B. So its legs are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Legs means this one and this one. the length of the perpendicular BN on the side AC. So we need to find out the length BN on the perpendicular AC. So first we will find out the length of AC. How can we find out? By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we know in a right angle triangle, base height square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. So again, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. From that Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of AC. So first, what will we write? From Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So the value of AB is 6. 6 square plus BC square means 8 square equals to AC square. So 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64 equals to AC square. So we can write AC square equals to 100. How can we find out AC? AC equals to root over 100. So root over 100 means in the root we can write 10 into 10 in place of 100. So when we write 10 into 10, two same numbers we multiply in between a root. When we omit the root, one number will come out. So it will be 10. So root over 10 into 10 equals to 10 only, or root over 100 equals to 10. So AC, the length of AC we now know it's 10 centimeter. Now what we are going to find out? We are going to find out the height or the perpendicular BN, which is on the side AC. This perpendicular BN on the side AC. So you can see, we can assume that the length of BN is x centimeter. Let the length of BN is equals to x centimeter. Okay, in case of this triangle, half into this base into this height will be same as half into this base into this height. Means both in the formulas, half into base into height, we will get the same areas. So half into this base into this height will be half into this base into height. So according to the question, half into base BC means 8 into height 6 equals to half into this base AC. This is BC, this is AC. AC is 10, AC is 10 and height is x. So now from both sides we will cancel half. Half of will be cancelled. So we will have x into 10 equals to 8 into 6. So x equals to 8 into 6 divided by 10. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So it's 24 by 5. That means 4.8 centimeter is the corresponding height to AC. 4.8 centimeter is the length of AC. Okay. So I hope this is clear. This one is a very important one. Okay. Now next I am doing question number 9. Question number 9, again we need to draw the figure first. So this is the figure in question number 9. Question number 9 is, in the adjoining figure, area of triangle ABE is equal to the area of parallelogram ABCD. If altitude EF is 16 cm long, find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB of length 10 cm. What is the area of triangle AMD and where M is the midpoint of the side DC? So here altitude means the height. So you can see the area of the triangle AMD is equal to the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So we can assume that the altitude EF, we have to find out the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB. So we can assume that let the altitude of the parallelogram to to the base AB is equals to x centimeter. So according to the question, see, it is mentioned in the question that the area of the triangle is equal to the area of the parallelogram. So what is the formula to find out the area of the parallelogram? Base into height. So base is 10 centimeter and x is the height. We have assumed that x is the height, which is equal to the area of the triangle ABE. So what is the area of the triangle ABE? Half into base. Base is 10 and height is this one, EF, 16. So according to the question, 10 into x equals to half into 10 into 16. So x equals to both side, from both side we will cancel 10. So x equals to half into 16. So it will be 8 centimeter. So x equals to 16 centimeter. That means the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB is 16 centimeter. Hope this is clear. Next question, which is 8 centimeter. Okay. Next question is find the area of the triangle AMD. AMD, this triangle, where M is the midpoint of DC. So DC is equal to the, since it's a parallelogram, the length of AB and DC are same. So if this is 10 and this is 10 and M is the midpoint of DC, so it is 10 and this is the midpoint, so it is 5 centimeter. 10 divided by 2. DM is 5 centimeter. So now look at this one very carefully. We are going to find out the area of the triangle AMD. So we need the base and also the height we need. The height, which is the height of the triangle, is equal to the height of the parallelogram, which we have already found 8 centimeter. So this height is 8 centimeter and the base we have found 5 centimeter. So therefore, area of triangle AMD equals to half into base into height. So half into base is 5 and height we have found 8. So cancellation, it's 5 4s are 20 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle AMD is 20 centimeter square. Okay, so hope this is clear. Next, question number 10 I am doing. Question number 10, another figure is drawn here. First I will be drawing the figure, then I will explain. So this is the figure in question number 10. Question number 10, in the adjoining figure, ABC is a rectangle of size 18 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Means length is 18 and 10 is breadth. In triangle BEC, angle E is 90 degree, which is given here, and EC is equals to 8 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region. Now how can we find out the area of the shaded region? The area of the triangle subtracted from the area of the rectangle will be the area of the shaded region. So first we are going to find out the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle ABCD is equals to length into breadth, 18 into 10 centimeter square, that is 180 centimeter square. Now we will find out the area of the triangle BEC. So formula is half into base into height. So we know the height but we don't know the base. How can we find out the base? This side we know. So see, this is a right angle triangle. We know the height, we know the hypotenuse. So we don't know the base. By Pythagoras theorem we can find out the base of the triangle. From the right angled triangle BEC, we have height square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square, means EC square plus EB square equals to BC square. So what will be the value of EB square? EB square equals to BC square minus EC square. So BC square is 10 square and square is 8 square. So EB square equals to 10 square minus 8 square is 10 minus 64. EB square equals to. That means EB equals to root over 36. So root 36 equals to 6. That means this base is 6 centimeter we have found. Okay. So the base is 6 centimeter. So therefore the area of triangle BEC is equals to half into base into height. So half into base 6 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. So 2, 3, 8 4 is 24 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle is 24 centimeter square and the area of the rectangle is 180 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the shaded region is equals to 180 minus 24 centimeter square, which is 156 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is 156 centimeter square. So I hope this is clear. So up to question number 10 I have done. Remaining sums will be your homework, which is almost same time. So I hope this exercise is clear to you. Still, if you are having any problem, then you can call me anytime. Okay. So till the next video, take care and bye.